Hi all, welcome to the demo of Salesforce to RDS integration through Delbumi. So basically we want the accounts data from Salesforce to integrate to our database which is hosted on RDS database in AWS. So let's get started. This is the AWS console and I had created a database with a database one name. So these are all the configurations. So now I'll walk you through the Delbumi process. So this is my Delbumi process. So what I did is this is the configuration of Salesforce. I have given the connection details here in the connection tab, and in the operations we want to query the accounts. So I have given the query details right here in the operations tab of Salesforce connector. Next we have the data transformation. Here we want to convert our data which is coming in the XML format to the database format. So these are the configuration, these are actually the mappings which we are going to get in the database: the account number, account ID, name and phone number. So next we have the database connector. In this I have given the connection of database. These are the configurations of my database. And next we have the operations tab right here. So this is the profile which we are going to integrate to the RDS database. So for accessing that database, I have installed a MySQL workbench. So for now I'll run this query on this RDS table. So as for now we don't have any records in our table. So now I'll run my project and we'll see if I'm able to fetch or integrate the data from Salesforce to RDS database. So it might take few seconds to complete this process. So as we can see, the test execution of this process completed successfully. Now I'll go to Workbench and run this query again to see whether we were able to fetch the data from Salesforce or not. Yeah, so these are the account details which we were fetching from Salesforce to RDS. That's all. Thank you.